What is up, everybody? Brian with SoCo Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. We're kind of in a hurry to film because of whatever's going on back there. I don't know if it's Virga or if it's an actual thunderstorm, but I'm not sticking around long enough to figure that out. But again, thumbs up, subscribe. Let's get into this walk around. All right, guys, 2012 Toyota 4Runner. This is one of the last few years of this look before they did the current redesign. But we sent this up 3 inches on the rough country kit. As you can see, it gives it a nice level stance. And it always seems to be this back left tire and wheel combo that is the most upright. These are the Black Rhino Kelsos NA17. And then these Kenda Klever's RA285/70 R17. Fills up that fender well. This didn't require very much trimming, if at all. You can see it gives it a really nice stance, brings the tires out, even with the edge of the fenders. Again, I love these 4Runners. They're one of the very few body-on-frame SUVs left that aren't named Jeep, so definitely a great option for you guys. All right, guys, Brian, SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, show people what we can do with these 4Runners.